Mother's Day seems to always be the peak bloom, especially for Azalea Way, which is kind of the iconic feature of this arboretum. What we're known for was kind of the central design feature when the Olmsteds designed the park back in the 1930s. So it's this kind of 3/4 mile promenade for all the azaleas, rhododendrons, and a lot of the magnolias and dogwoods. Some of the azaleas and flowering trees have a fragrance. In fact, we have one area called Lodi Valley that's chock full of rhododendrons that are bred for fragrance. Though many of them being planted in the 40s are now above people's heads. There's a few ponds along the way, which are nice, and so plenty of chances to see wildlife too. Right now, it's the time of coronavirus and social distancing. So, people that tend to come out here for this kind of event tend to skew a little older. You bring your mom or your grandmother or your family, and it has a tendency to be really crowded in a normal time. And so now we just want people to be able to enjoy it remotely and see a lot of the things they may have seen in the past from the comfort of their home. It's really at its peak this time of the year. It's nice throughout the year, but in the fall you get some good color. But right now is when it's really showing all it has.